All right, let's talk about knee and hip pain. Now, knee pain is one of the most commonly reported injuries in athletes across all the sports, and the hip is just one joint above the knee. But anytime we talk about knee or hip problems, we have to look at the root of the problem, which 9 times out of 10, I would say 95% of the time, it's actually an undetected foot or ankle issue that causes the knee or hip problem. Here, I'm going to explain this to you. What happens is with altered foot mechanics, the foot's going to drop. So you're going to have more of a flat foot. And typically we see this today because humans weren't meant to be walking on concrete floors all day. Unfortunately, now it's a great invention by humans, but not optimal for our feet, right? Well, we have altered foot mechanics that cause the knee to rotate one way, just like so. And the knee is a special joint. Whatever the shin bone does, the thigh bone is going to do the exact opposite. Just because of the biomechanics of the leg itself, it's how we were made. Well, when this happens because of altered foot mechanics, we have this constant torque and twist at the knee, which is what happened to me. That's how I actually ended up tearing my ACL as an athlete when I was in college, because I had so many ankle sprains throughout my years of playing sports that were never fixed. They healed up. And what did I have? I had this chronic torque on my knee, which caused me to eventually tear all the ligaments and tendons in the knee. Well, when there's a knee problem, it often leads to hip problems. Hip problems often lead to what you guessed it, low back problems. So what we specialize in here at Potent Chiropractic is, one, finding the correct diagnosis, making sure we actually have a knee or hip issue, whether or not it's being caused by the foot or not, whether it's caused by the nerves coming from the spine down to the leg. We have to figure out what it is. So we're always going to do a very thorough exam. We're probably going to take a quality set of x-rays as well. And we're going to check out and find out what exactly is your problem. Then it becomes very simple. We put together a plan. We gently ease these bones back into their correct position. And then over time, we allow the body to heal itself. And then of course, we give our recommendations to keep it well over the long term, right? So that's what we're about here at Potent Chiropractic. Yes, if you have knee pain, if you have hip pain, if you have foot pain, definitely get to the chiropractor. We want to do things as natural as possible, get you to the right people if we have to. But of course, we want to do everything we can to help you here at Potent Chiropractic, and that's what we're going to do.